In this super quick After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to make this amazing looking 3D tunnel animation, and this one is super easy. It will just take a few minutes and yeah, it looks just super cool. So let's just learn how to do it real quick. So let's make a new composition and I'll just make it 10 seconds. Press OK, and first of all we need a solid layer. So right click in here, go to new and let's add a solid layer. And then we just need to apply a few effects, and we will start with the turbulent noise effect, which you can just find under noise and grain, and just apply it. And yeah, this looks super weird, so we have to adjust a few settings, and we will start by adding by changing the noise type from soft linear to block, and this already looks a little bit more interesting. Then we can also turn up the contrast to something like 200, which should look really cool. And yeah, that's almost it for this effect. Maybe we can also open up the complexity and just bring it up a bit, like something like 8 should look good, just like this. And yeah, but no, if we will play this, nothing will move and it's just not a tunnel yet. So we will have to add a few more effects, and let's start with a twirl effect. So you can just search up twirl and apply it on here, and now we can change the angle a bit to something like 160 or 180 degrees, just like this. And we can also play with the radius, but for this example we will bring this down so the twirl is a bit more, let's say, intensive. And yeah, let's do 160 in the angle. And yeah, to now get this twirl to the edges as well, so it's like not just in the middle, we can add the optics compensation effect and just apply it. And first of all we need to check the reverse lens distortion thing, and then we can just go all in this field of view thing. So just bring it like basically to the highest value where it looks good. Just yeah, this should work. 160 is good. And yeah, this is super cool. Now, but again, this won't move, so we will have to add one more thing, which is the transform effect, and just apply it. And actually we have to put it, let's put it above the optics compensation thing. And yeah, now we can animate the rotation in here. So let's just go to the beginning of our animation and put in a keyframe here. So just click this little thing and then go forward, like wherever you want to stop it. For this purpose, let's just do it at just 2 seconds. And now if we rotate it, this looks super cool. And yeah, that's already almost it, but we actually forgot something, which is to also animate the scale thing in here. So it looks like it's moving a bit to us. So we can go to the beginning and put in a keyframe here as well, and then go to the end, and then just bring this up a little bit, just like this. Yeah, this looks good, just like this. And now this will take some time to pre-render, but we could see that this is now like coming to us and just looks super interesting. And yeah, the only thing that we don't like yet is like the whole color thing. It's just black and white and looks a bit stupid. So we can actually first of all add a brightness and contrast effect and just bring the contrast up so it looks more intense. Then we can also add a glow effect, just like this, and increase the glow radius by a lot so it's not that concentrated. And we also may want to turn on the glow intensity to 0.4, just like this. And yeah, I think this already looks super cool from the contrast side, but we also may want some color in here, so we can also add the tritone effect and just apply it and put in the midtones whatever color you prefer. Let's just go with a light blue one. And yeah, just one of the two things that I also like is maybe just not using like a complete black for the darks, so we can just give it a darker grayish thing. Maybe you notice the difference in here, but I think it's significant. And sometimes I also like to put the highlights like a really light blue color, so it's not like 100% white, but I think white also works. But yeah, just do whatever you like in here. Not red, but yeah, I think something like this is good. And yeah, that's already it. Now I won't be able to play it because it will take ages to pre-render. but basically, oh well, actually, it's quite fast. I think this looks just super cool, and yeah, let me know if this one was helpful, and I hope you can use it in some projects, and see you next time.